young chef. If you want to give somebody a surprise and you're very short on time, so you can make this recipe within a few minutes. And the name of our recipe is bread choco cake. So let's start. The ingredients of this recipe are Nutella, bread, Hershey syrup, milk, rainbow and chocolate sprinkles, almonds, cashew, walnuts, or you can also choose your favorite nuts. First, we'll cut the sides of the bread with the help of an adult. Then your bread should look something like this. Then we'll cut our nuts into small pieces with the help of an adult. Then your nuts should look something like this. Then we'll add some milk in a plate. And then we'll dip our bread in it. Then we'll take it out and we'll squeeze it from both sides. Like this. Then we'll do the same with all our breads. Then we'll take one slice of our milk-soaked bread and spread Nutella on it. Then we'll add any one of our nuts on it. I'm adding walnut. Then your first layer should look something like this. Then we'll take another slice of our milk-soaked bread and put it on top. Then again, we'll spread Nutella on it. Then we'll add another nut. I'm adding cashew. Then your second layer should look something like this. Then we'll take a third slice of milk-soaked bread and put it on top of the second one. Then again we'll add some more Nutella. This time we'll add another nut. I'm adding almond. Then we'll add our last slice of milk-soaked bread on top of the third one. Then again we'll add some more Nutella, which will look something like this. Then we'll take a microwavable bowl and add some Nutella in it. Then we'll microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds. Now it's time to garnish. We'll garnish it with some nuts, some of our melted Nutella, with some Hershey syrup, then to top it off, we'll add some sprinkles. Looks so yummy. Now our bread choco cake is ready. I hope you like the sweet and chocolatey recipe. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. And don't forget to click the bell